Hello friends, welcome to Engineering at Movement channel. In this lecture, we will study about root cause and potential cause of the problem. In manufacturing, when we encounter any problem, whether it is at manufacturing stage or at any stage, we perform troubleshooting. And in troubleshooting, all those probable reasons which had caused the problem, which may have caused the problem, will be noted down. And then each probable reason is verified. If any reason passed in verification, then it is validated. And when it passes in validation, it can be called root cause of the problem. And all the probable reasons are potential cause of the problem. So in most of the cases, there is only one root cause of the problem and many potential cause of the problem, but in some cases also there are more than one root cause of the problem. So to understand root cause and potential cause in a better way, we'll take a case study. There is a gear manufacturing firm which is manufacturing gear using forging process. So in manufacturing stage, they encounter a problem that many gears are made with less thickness, which is not up to the specification. So to troubleshoot it, we have used fishbone diagram. In fishbone diagram, it is also called 5M chart. All the probable reasons are noted due to each M, and then they are verified, and if passes in verification, validated. 5 M's are man, material, machine, method, and mother nature. So from man, the reason was untrained manpower, which may have caused wrong die setting. From method, they may be using wrong die setting method. From machine, there may be a variation in stroke length of forging machine, which may have caused less thickness of gear. From material, they may have used wrong raw material, and which had produced large amount of scale pitch, and which would have caused less thickness of gear. And from mother nature, there was no reason. So this is the troubleshooting. After verifying every reason, it was found that untrained manpower had caused the problem, and the manpower was untrained because it was a new manpower. So the reason new manpower was untrained, that there was no provision in the factory that they had a specific procedure of performing training of new manpower. So a procedure was prepared and implemented that whenever a manpower will be deputed, it will be given a prior training of classroom and then on-job training. And when it will be deputed at any critical stage, an engineer or supervisor will be there to monitor him and perform his training effectiveness evaluation, and giving him a final go ahead. So all these probable reasons are potential cause, and this reason, untrained manpower, is root cause of the problem. For better understanding, we have given double star to untrained manpower to indicate that it is the root cause of the problem. Thank you.